Hey faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. I'm in freezing cold Paris this morning. City of love, love, love. Okay, so how are you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are having a good day. If it's your first time to the channel, consider subscribing right now before you continue watching, and give this video a thumbs up, everybody that's watching. Love you guys for doing that. Anyway, babes, good morning. Tonton, di bonjour. Tata, di bonjour. Tyler. So that's the entire squad. Now, real reason I'm gonna give you guys right now why I'm in Paris is because I need to go to the US Embassy to renew my visa. I wonder where she's traveling to this time while she needs to renew her visa. We're just gonna have to wait and see. But anyway, you guys, my visa is expiring in the next 6 months, which means that I cannot travel in the next 6 months if I want to go through USA or go to USA without upgraded visa. So the only embassy in France for the USA visa is in Paris. One is in Musée too, but that one is only for citizens, which for US citizens to go to. So hence why I have to come all the way to Paris. So there's a whole lot of papers required for me to renew this visa. In Jamaica I think it would be similar, but it wouldn't be as complicated. It would be easy for me to get to the embassy, boom boom boom, and back home. But anyway, we are in the heart of Paris today, and of course after the visa appointment, and then we'll spend the day in Paris. My in-laws are so nice. They came to Paris with us this morning, wake up early, and we're gonna spend the day here. They're awesome. So you guys will be seeing them, and Tyler is loving chatting with Auntie, Babe with Tonton. Sarah is actually taking a nap right now. Whenever Sarah left her warm climate in Nice and come to anywhere cold, Sarah is just not her old Sarah self. So she slept last night, but she didn't have a perfect night. She's been up since 5 o'clock. So she's taking a nap right now, and it is 5 minutes after 9, and I have a 10 a.m. appointment, so we're walking to my appointment right now. Anyway, you guys, so that's why I'm in Paris. There you guys have it, going to the US Embassy to try and get a new visa. Anyway, wish me luck. Hopefully they don't turn me down. I don't think they will. Anyway, you guys, let's go to the embassy and give you guys a view before I hang up of cold winter Paris right now. So that's what Paris is looking like at the moment. Cold, no leaves on the trees, river is pretty quiet. Everybody's commuting to work, whether riding, running, whatever it is. This is Paris on a cold winter morning, January 27, 2021. There's a look in the heart of Paris, and you can see the baby right here. That's the Eiffel Tower we're looking at right there. But babe, the Eiffel Tower is just there. See there? Tyler! Tyler! Eiffel Tower! See the Eiffel Tower there? You don't see it? The Eiffel Tower is behind the trees.
Tu la vois?
No. Look. Tyler loves the Eiffel Tower. You see it? You see it? You see it? Sarah is sleeping. Let me guys give you a glimpse of Sarah. There he is. Let's go, it's after 9. A lot of biking, commuting through Paris. It's the best way to get through in the early morning going to work. Biking, can't go wrong. Busy Paris. Wow. Don't waving. He's a little smile. And I'm gonna put on my mask because they'll find my ass for not having my mask on. Where? Oh! Yeah, my mask fell. So you'll get fined for not wearing your mask when you're around. So let me get my mask on. Because I don't have the €100 to give the police. Not today, girl. So we're on the river right now, which is absolutely beautiful from up here. Look at that. Woo! Paris is beautiful. Even during the winter time, Paris is beautiful without the leaves and all that on the trees. Down the Seine River, and the Eiffel Tower is right there. Woohoo! Hello, Tour Eiffel, right here. This girl face this year, she's been crying ever since I left to go to the appointment, and I just got back and she just stopped crying. But she's been crying non-stop. Look at her. Mama! She thinks it the world. Sarah. 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 It's not pretzel, it's crepe. Crepe, please. Crepe, s'il te plaît, Tyler. S'il te plaît. S'il te plaît, Tai. Anyway, guys, I went to the embassy and I got through. So I'm happy. And now I'm back with the fam bam and we're having coffee outside. It's freezing. Coffee and hot chocolate and crepe. Tyler, take it out of the paper. Give me Tai. Let's already another bite. We can bite hers when it comes, don't worry. Bite.
C'est bon. Ça y est, tu chouines plus. C'est bon.
Elle est plus jolie qu'à Burfa. Hein.
Ah oui.
Avec le sucre, c'est mon première fois à goûter avec le sucre. Non, très bon. Yes.
C'est à toi la dernière.
Sucre. Comme ta taille, tonton.
Voilà, c'est ce que tu sens bien le goût de la crêpe.
Come, yeah. Put it in the water this
So
time.
guys, we are in Jardin des Tuileries, the garden in Paris. And I wanted to show you, I don't know if you can see this big tower there. It's called Tour Montparnasse. I think this is the biggest tower in Paris. Tour Montparnasse. So I don't know the story, I don't know nothing about it. I know they have a movie that is a funny movie, but yeah, I went one time when I was young on top of it. And that's here. So we're heading to that direction.
Okay, so right now we are still in the heart of Paris. We are actually heading to the Louvre. The Louvre is a very famous museum in Paris. Hold on, Tyler. Hold on, Tyler. Which is this building behind here that you're looking at. And its churches go all around here into a U. So it is said no matter how much you've walked for the day, you will never be able to walk out this museum. That's how much information that you have and how long it is for you to walk and see everything. So yeah, we're out here in this school. Look at the family, they're cool. Babe, Tata, Tonton, Tyler, Sarah, and Lela. Sarah is here. We're going to the Louvre, Ty. But we're not going inside though. We're just going to see where it is, because I ain't got time to walk on the museum today. But yeah, that's where we are right now. I see a lot of seats are in here. I like this part. Many seats. I can't imagine during summertime how full these chairs are, but there's a lot. There are many, and there's Louvre, if you don't know, have the famous art of Mona Lisa. That is where Mona Lisa is. So if you know anything about Mona Lisa, then this is where it is located in this museum. There's also a movie that you can watch in English if you're an English watcher, subscriber. What's the name of the movie called, babe? Honey? Babe! Husband! Ludovic! Delaveaus! Babe! Oh my God! Babe! Ludovic! Husband! Honey! Rien! Oh là là! C'est quoi le movie avec Lupin? Where's Stella? Go get it! So there's a movie called Lupin. It's a very, very, very good movie. I recommend that movie to anyone who wants to know anything about the Mona Lisa and the Louvre. That movie is based around the Louvre, but it's a drama series. It's a drama movie that I recommend that you watch. It's very, very good. It's worth the watch. So if you haven't watched a movie called Lupin, then I suggest you go and watch it. It's on Netflix. So yeah, go and watch that movie. It's a good watch. The Eiffel Tower is right there. Ah, merci. Yeah. Sarah is full of so much energy. I can't keep up with her. You have too much energy. You have too much energy. I cannot keep up with you. Alright, we're heading to the Louvre. I can see it from here. I can see the diamond from here. How would you call it? What? Yeah, I guess. Okay, that's a better close-up of the Louvre. So the museum is all of this. One of the most famous spots inside Paris. And it goes all the way around there. So we're gonna cross the streets and get closer to the pyramid. That's the name I was looking for. Not diamond, but pyramid. Alright, here we go. Tour bus. We're taking a picture of the pyramid. The pyramid is actually the top of the Louvre. That's where they enter to go down underground. Yay! Go to Papa! Go to Papa! Oh! Go to Papa, Sarah! Papa! Come! Sarah! Come! Go to Papa!
Anna, can you take Louis 14?
Tyler loves history. This is Louis 14 and he wants his photo up there. Go up, Sarah, go up!
Et ça, c'est la bibliothèque, ça.
C'est quoi le dôme là?
The streets of Paris!
La bibliothèque Mazarine.
Freezing! That's what I am, freezing, it's cold. But it's absolutely beautiful. Winter or summer, Paris give you a whole kind of vibe. Look at this river behind me. Beautiful. That's Paris feel. It's a great day.